Hey guys, this is Vamshi again back with another tutorial. Now, in this video, we are gonna be learning how to generate lucky numbers using Flutter. Let's get into it. Now, in this video, we are gonna be having a bit of touch on Java and stuff. So it's gonna be a beginner tutorial first of all, and it's not gonna be such a complicated project, let's say. And this is a really good way to start up with Flutter, a really good basic project. Now let's get into it. The first thing, we'll just test out this code because I just created a new project called Lucky Number. It's a fresh project and I just wanted to test out if everything works or not. So let's just compile this, because once it compiles, right, so it's easy to reload and refresh and everything. So I will wait until this gets compiled. Yeah, so we're into the app now. Let us test it out by just clicking on this. Super, it works. Everything works, so let's remove everything. That's a good way to start something, right? Everything works, so just remove everything. Yeah, I know. So we'll go in with the project. It's a very simple project. I'm right clicking on this folder. There it is. I'm going to delete this folder also. Remember, you have to delete the test folder in case you don't want to get into errors. The first things first, we need to import our packages, which is material.dart. That's the first thing, right? For any app, whatever it is, it's the first thing to import material.dart or cupertino.dart, whichever you prefer. Now, we'll be creating a stateless widget. Stateless widget is nothing but a class, a simple class. That's it. It doesn't create any states. So we're going to call it as we're going to call it as app for now. Before that, always remember, every program starts with a main block. So void main. In Flutter, we need to do run app and app because we already have our class over here. So let's just, yeah, that will be better. So what this does, it will return a container. I'm gonna put in a color, let's say color dot green, and just save it. What happened? Unimplemented handling of missing static target. Oh. Yeah, I think, yeah, I got it. I think it should be in material. It should be in a material app with the home of this one. No, or maybe I should reload the app. I think. Yeah, here it is. So, oops. No, I'm supposed to do this. Yeah, fine. So we are running an app, a material app, which will run this app, which will return a container with a color green. Simple, right? And we're gonna change this, of course. Now in the material app, we'll remove the debug thing and just set it to false. And I got an idea. We'll just wrap this around with the scaffold. And this should be body. Oops, what happened? Okay. So yeah, this is all good. And yeah, we have a scaffold, and we need to remove that debug check banner mode thing, something. I don't know. That's too big to say. Now we're gonna take an app bar. I need an app bar, of course, like who doesn't need an app bar, right? So we're gonna put in a title called your lucky number, or lucky number generator. Okay, I don't think so it's reloading everything. I need to click on reload every time, not reload. Why is that happening? Okay, it's shift F10, whatever. Okay. we have a title, and let's center our title. And what happened? Yes, fine. And color is supposed to be black because I love the bar to be black. Look at that, it looks so fancy, and especially on an AMOLED screen. Oh, now container, we're getting to the real deal now, right? Sorry, here we need to have a child which is centered. Everything is centered, and so when you center it, everything is gonna move to here, right? Let's say we have a column, or we'll get a wrap in which there are children, in which the first children is a text which says your lucky number is. Yeah, your lucky number is, and we are gonna add some style to it. Whoopsie, what am I doing? Yes, right. Text style, size of 20, and this should, yeah, here it is. Your lucky number is, right? And I need to change the color to colors.white, or I think I might just make it contrasting. I think that will look good actually if I make it contrasting. So colors.white. Let me see. Okay, what if I think I can make a better job by just changing everything to black. That would be hilarious, right? Or maybe not. Just give it green, or it's okay. Yeah, this is better. Now green looks horrible on my screen. Oh god, I want to just make it blue or something like, okay, blue accent maybe. Yeah, this is much better. It looks different on my laptop screen, like much different. Now back to work. Now we have a text. Now here we'll just take some function, we will define it. Fine. Now come here. Now we'll define a number function. Here it will return something of a void of a type int. Fine. So now we need to, if you know basic Java, we have methods called random, right? So let's see now what we're going to do is make a random variable called rand. There's nothing but a random, right? It will show an error because we need to import a class, and that class is nothing but .math. Fine. We have a random number, and let's pass in a limit of 100, and then it returns this number. Now let's see. Okay, random is not a subtype of type widget. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna I can do this. Wrap it with a text. Oopsie. This might work out. Hopefully. Oh my god. Random is not a subtype of type string. Look at this. This feels so weird. I'll make it a column now. and I have filtered everything. The axis alignment is but main axis alignment dot center. Yeah, fine. Instance of random, huh? Fine. Then, oh yeah, sorry guys, I just found out what's wrong over here. Rand is nothing but the random variable, so we need to initialize another variable. So we need to initialize another variable called I, and I is nothing but rand dot nextInt. Oh, sorry, I is equal to rand dot next int of 100. Sorry. This is supposed to be like this, and this is I, and this string. Here you go. And we'll put in some style over here. You know what? I'll just copy the same thing over here. That should work out good. And we can give in a size box here. Sized box here with some height of let's say 50, like that, and I can make this bigger, like 50. And here you go. Every time you load this, it's gonna change. So every time you just open the app, I'm just clicking on save here, if you can see, and you can change this to whatever number you like, this particular value, and it will go according to that one. So it can be from 0 to 100. Fine. So that's it. We just made your app in such a short time and with just 44 lines of code, and your whole app is done. This is the power of Flutter. I love Flutter. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Hope you learned something new, and see ya.